Why are elves assholes? It couldn't be from their stats. They only get a +2 in dex and a +1 in either intelligence, wisdom, or charisma, depending on what race you choose. It could be their origin, believing that they were born of the spilt blood of the elven god Corellon and created in their image, hence their androgynous look, along with that believing that there will never be any more elves than there are in the world now, and that all the elves that have died will reincarnate as the future generation. But if that's the case, why aren't all elves assholes? A lot of younger elves act more like humans. They're impatient, ambitious, and want to experience all they can. So what changes them? I think it's their greatest curse. Their age. Elves on average live 750 years. This means that in one lifespan, all their friends they will see die. This isn't a death that can be fixed by a simple spell and a diamond. They're killed by the ever-ticking passage of time. Now imagine how that might affect someone after 300 years? So next time you play an elf, ask yourself this. How do they see the world around them? Those humans that they're traveling with, that tiefling or dwarf. Do they see beauty in their short time span and relish the time that they will spend together in the following hundreds of years? Or do they try pushing everyone away in fear of being hurt once more?